Lucas, would you say that this is an optimal experience?
Absolutely. I have insurance. What's up guys, Jack here with MTS, and when I'm sitting down at my desk, the primary thing that I notice is my monitors. They're what I'm staring at. They're what allows the content that I'm working on to visually get to me. And so my main monitor is a 27-inch 1440p, 144 hertz, pretty decent color calibrated monitor from BenQ, and then that's paired with the $150 1080p Dell Special. So this display, while it looks good on its own, looks incredibly underwhelming when sitting next to this. Now I wanted to get a second one of these BenQ monitors to replace my $150 Dell Special, so I looked the monitor up and found that it was on sale. It normally sells for $500, but I found it on sale directly from BenQ for $350 with an additional discount if you buy more than one. And so I'm like, do I get another one? Well, of course I get one more. But buying two isn't exactly a good thing for me to spend my money on right now because, you know, we're moving and I still need to be able to buy some new furniture, things like that. But then I realized I don't care about that. I want monitors. So let's take a look at these awesome BenQ monitors. In my opinion, these are the best monitors that I've ever used, and I freaking love these guys. So for 350 bucks, they're a steal. I'll leave them linked down in the description below, but if you want to see more about these monitors and what they can do, especially compared to old Dell boy right there, stick around. Getting into the unboxing experience, everything is surprisingly well packaged. In the box, you have the monitor itself, the manual and some documentation, the base of the stand, the neck of the stand which you can run your cables through, a remote holder, power cable, HDMI, and USB-C. Now keep in mind that the USB-C cable that it comes with is only 3 feet. In terms of I/O, we have a headphone jack, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, DisplayPort, USB-C, and on the other side we have IEC for power. It also has the screws and screw holes on the back for VESA mounting. Now with a built-in USB-C port, you might be thinking that this is a great pairing with something like a laptop. Here I just have a base model 2017 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch version. You can see we got a dual-core i5, 8 gig of RAM, and integrated graphics. So this is not exactly a powerful config. But I started this video and started all of this testing with 83% battery, and I'm down to 68. So this thing is not powerful enough to juice up your laptop. So your power brick is not gonna be able to live in your bag and then just charging with the monitor when you get to your desk or your dorm. You're still gonna need your laptop power adapter. But this one cable is enough to power the display, the full-on 2560 by 1440 at 144 hertz. So if I open up display preferences, we are running at 144 hertz at the default for the display. So in the apartment that we're living in between, you know, this house and the new place that we're building, I'm not gonna have a TV in my bedroom. I'm gonna be using one of these monitors. I'm gonna use 2 of them for my desk, and then the third monitor is gonna be my TV being used with an Apple TV 4K. So having the built-in speakers is really nice.
I told you to join me for dinner!
And I told you no!
If she doesn't eat with me, then she doesn't eat at all!
Let's get into where this monitor really shines, and that's video production and gaming. Now I have a fairly large Premiere project open here on the 1080p display, and I'm just showing the whole timeline. On this display, I can see all of my video tracks, but on my audio tracks, I have to scroll to get to everything, because the lowest track I can see is audio track 12 down here. Now, if I bring this over to the 1440p display, you can see just how much more screen real estate I have to work with. I can expand this down here, and let's show all of my video tracks, just move this up a little bit, and I can see down to audio 19. So I gained 7 extra audio tracks that I can see on my timeline. Now I rarely ever have a timeline in full screen, but that still leads to me having more workspace for my projects so I can be a lot more efficient. So going higher resolution and higher refresh rate is kind of addictive because you never want to give that up. So using this 1080p display feels like I'm stepping backwards. So I am really excited to have 3 of these monitors. I can't wait to get them all actually set up here at my desks, and you know what, let's do that. Let's do that now. Let's see what 3 1440, 144 hertz monitors looks like, and see if my computer could drive them in NVIDIA Surround. That's gonna be a fun time.
And it actually works. Ethan, what do you think?
It's a lot. I have to focus. I can't look at anything. I really can only look at the center screen of my... Ooh, that got a little jittery. But it's cool. It's going well. My eyes are freaking out.
All right, so can the XPS 15 power 3 of the monitors? Oh my gosh, it works.
It actually looks pretty good too.
They were set to 144? We got it, we got
I mean,
it.
look at the mouse. The
Well,
mouse
there
is
it is,
definitely going 144. It's just when I try to drag, oh god,
It struggles.
is a little more janky.
Lucas, would you say that this is an optimal experience?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, it works. So
Yeah.
run with it. If it breaks your computer, that's on you.
I have insurance.
So it's been about a month that I've been using all of these monitors, and I have 2 of them at my desk, 1 of them in my bedroom area, and that's kind of acting as my TV. And I'm using it with the Apple TV, and I'm just using the built-in speakers, and I have no complaints. One of the things that I didn't realize that these monitors did initially, like, you know, with my first unit that I bought over a year ago, is that when you change the color profile, it remembers all the other settings that you manipulate in that profile, such as the brightness, contrast, all of that stuff. So if you set up like your low blue light mode to be like your nighttime viewing, and you turn down the brightness, turn down the contrast, well, when you switch back to your Rec 709 profile, the brightness goes back up, contrast goes back up, you switch back to low blue light for, you know, night number 2, and it dims and it remembers all of its settings. And it's like, whoever thought about that and like actually took the time to put that into the monitor, thank you. Like, seriously, this is just a well-designed, really good, solid monitor that I am super happy with. And I'm not sure why they're on sale, because they're still on sale. So I don't know if there's something that BenQ is trying to discontinue, but either way, pick them up now. These guys are absolutely awesome. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like. If you really liked it and want to see more of me in your subscription feed, well, then you can go ahead and get subscribed. I'll have links down in the description to where you can buy this monitor, as well as probably even the $150 Dell special. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.